Got my car right here. This is some serious work. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. You guys know where we're at. We're at Grand Bend. We're here at Euro Klassik, formerly known as Berlin Klassik. I got the car parked up over here. People are admiring it. That's what we like to see. This is incredible, man. Being in this atmosphere is always a movie. You know what I'm saying? Euro Klassik's always got good things to bring. And, you know, it gets the community out. I'm here with my boys. As you guys see, I'm also trying to get some POV footage with these glasses. These are the Meta glasses. So better believe I'm getting some of that motion, man. So you guys can get some different perspectives. Something a bit easier and cleaner than, you know, working with a GoPro sometimes. Funny enough though, I'm working with a GoPro right now, filming this vlog. I do find that it's a bit easier to film with a GoPro as opposed to the G7X when it comes to car content. I think it just brings out the details, the vibrance in the cars a little bit better than the G7X. But photos, you guys know the deal, man. I'm going G7X. For my setup, that's what I got all day. So anyways, I'm gonna cut the talks. We're just gonna walk. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cooler cars throughout the function, right? And you guys hear the music in the background, so I don't know if it's gonna affect me, but I'll try to limit my talking so I can probably put some music over this. And yeah, you guys are here to see the cars. I'll show you the cars. Let's go. All right, making our way down this row. Got some old schools here. That Benz wheels are clean, man. That chrome was untouchable. I feel like for better display, I should almost park over here. I don't know. I might move the car at some point. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, I need those plates. I think I need those plates. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. You see these? They just look so good. Honestly, I'm not normally the type to get, you know, those kind of merch pieces, I guess you could say, from shows. But yeah, truthfully, I think they look nice. They did a good job. So I think I might just buy one, you know? I might be a guy for a souvenir this time. This time. Pussy. That Volvo's looking real good. Clean, man. I'll show you guys where I got the car posted up. Got a 5 Series over there. But let's focus. We met the owner of this Porsche. Beautiful car and very nice people, honestly. Pleasure talking to them. Got my car right here. You know, had to park by some Euro beauty. How's the car looking, guys? It's looking good, and I'll tell you guys what we did. That video will drop, but I'm not sure if it'll come before or after this. So if you guys are watching this video, I'm gonna give you the sneak peek right now. So new fenders at the front, freshly painted, right? Or not brand new, but replacements, new to me. This side too, of course, hence why I said fenders, not just fender. You guys know how we do. We got the Eureka plate on the front. We got the new Berlin Klassik sticker. Hopefully this one doesn't get mashed up. And we replaced this door here in the rear. No more rust at the bottom. I don't know if you could tell before or even on camera, but brand new clean door, and the color match is perfect, man. My dad's a wizard with this, man. He got it perfect. So man, I'm happy for that. This door we're gonna replace, but right now it's clean. You know what I'm saying? We didn't really have to do anything to it. It's totally okay. You guys know the deal with how the car is set up with the wheels, right? The Style 66 is two-tone. You see the back, right? Turner Motorsport wing on the back. That's right, that's right. You don't see that often, man. You don't see that often. And that's exactly why we do it. You guys know me, man. Let me show you the socials before we walk off. You know where to find us. You know where to find us, man. You guys hear the DJ rapping live. You see the turbo on this thing, man. Big boy.
Really nice car.
Paint on these cars are looking good. This is what you like to see. Well kept cars. And that's what you expect from this type of event. It gets so much reach. Honestly, it's hard to be disappointed coming to an event like this. This is the kind of thing that we like to see, man. All right, you guys see this absurd thing? Crazy. Turbo sitting high, man. Big time work on this one. Cool to see, something different, you know? Now I like this thing too. I like this thing. Honestly, I wouldn't mind having one of these things. They seem pretty small on the inside. If you got that bucket seat in there, man, good work. And check out the engine. Not in the front. It's in the back. And the suspension, man, this is freaking cool to see. This is some serious work and cool work, man. Yeah, these guys don't mess around, guys. They don't mess around. Wow, that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say about that one, guys. Straight wow. Beautiful M3. It's my boy's M5. Always a pleasure seeing these kind of cars here, man. Look at this E34 pulling through. Looking good.
Amongst all of the vendors, make sure to check out Eurosport's unit. We partnered up with Doc Red.
So nice. The all black just looks beautiful. Delivery on this one just looks beautiful. I don't know which one to choose, guys. Which one are you going with? You let me know. Make the decision easier, because I don't know if I could choose. Very clean engine bay right here, man. Good work on this one. I like the blue on this car. Looks very nice. Come on. Y'all thought you were crazy? Y'all ain't crazy, man. Crazy. They built cars like these for the limbo competition. So you see those pool noodles at the back? That's where people sit down and weigh down the car so it can go even lower. These guys are insane. Insane. Give credit where it's due. That 340 or 3 Series 335, whichever one it is, it looks wicked from behind right now. You see the lips of the wheels, clean. Yeah, that's a well displayed car. Good job to whoever's car that is, man. Looks good. Okay, so it looks like that's where all the merch is. So I'm gonna have to make a stop over there, because it looks like they got that fire here this year, man. Jeez. You guys have seen this car before if you follow the channel. See Tony Arrow at the whip.
But we both stalled, so it was actually a good race. I got it on the camera and shit.
The MC20. This green with those rims, it's a very nice combination. This looks like something you see in a video game, to be honest. The color combo is just off the chain. I love seeing this car, man. This car is just, it's an item. It's an item, man. I'll give you guys a quick walk around as per usual, because this car deserves it, of course. Beautiful setup, man. This guy knows how to build cars. And I always say too, I need to do my lip in carbon just like that. Now I wonder how his lip is mounted, because I'll tell you guys something honestly. My lip kind of dismounted on one side and it started to fold under my bumper. I had to pull it back up and out. So I gotta find out a better way of mounting it, because it ripped the mounts at the bottom. So yeah, but anyways, I see his has a little bit of a gap. So I wonder. I'll figure out a way. It's a clean M2. Pretty sure this is one of my boys' cars. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's a pretty clean Euro Klassik vinyl. or wrap. You know what I'm saying? Same thing,
The original
I guess.
blade guide. Speedway 3. Supporting vendor.
Some Fast and the Furious action here. Something you could always appreciate. Check out the headlight delete on that M4. It's got a little light there, so that way you know there's still a little something to light up the way. But wow, that's something you don't see too often, man. That way the car can breathe. We saw this McLaren on the highway, and he gave me good props for our Beamers.
I'm coming up with the answers, baby.
Clean. Here's where Isaiah's parked up. Car's looking good, man. And good placement, man. The front end's looking low. Yeah, now this thing, you guys know the deal with this thing, man. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, we pretty well walked through a good section of the show, man. There's definitely gonna be a few things I think I missed just from the order that I went through. I was capturing some YouTube shorts, some Instagram reels, while also getting the long form video for you guys. But I'm impressed. I'm always happy to be out at this show. This is a show that I prioritize to come out to every year. As long as the guys are coming, I'll come. You know what I'm saying? And it's always a good time. Like I said, you meet good people, you see cool cars, and that's one of the greatest things about the car community, man. And you see some real projects out here as we saw. So anyways, if this is the end of this video or this part of this video, y'all know where to find us at Team Eureka on Instagram, Eureka on YouTube, okay? Y'all know about my clothing. Prove them on the front, the clock is ticking on the back. That's provem.com. I have that on the screen there as well, so that way you guys can find it. Provem.com, have that on the screen. Y'all know what time it is though when you're clocking in with me. This is Jordan from Team Eureka. The clock is ticking, man. I'm out of here. Prove 'em. Later.